Have you ever noticed that some elderly Japanese homes seem almost timeless? Not because they're filled with expensive furniture, not because someone is cleaning all day, but because everything has a place. Dust rarely has a chance to settle, and cleaning never becomes a stressful weekend marathon. Many Japanese elders don't rely on complicated cleaning products or exhausting routines. Instead, they use small habits passed down through generations, simple techniques that quietly keep their homes fresh, organized, and peaceful. These aren't trendy internet hacks. They're practical methods that have stood the test of time. Some of them might completely change the way you think about cleaning forever. Today, we're exploring 15 Japanese cleaning hacks every wise elder should know. And make sure you stay until the very end, because the last habit may be the easiest one to adopt, yet it can completely transform how your home feels every single day. Let's begin. In many parts of the world, cleaning is something people postpone. The dishes pile up, the laundry waits, dust gathers quietly until it becomes impossible to ignore. Then comes an exhausting day of deep cleaning that leaves everyone tired. Japanese elders often approach cleaning very differently. For them, cleaning isn't punishment. It isn't something that steals their weekend. It's simply part of daily living. Every small action helps prevent bigger problems later. Their homes aren't always perfect. They aren't spotless museums, but they're usually calm, orderly, and easy to maintain. Many of these habits were learned from parents and grandparents who lived through difficult times, when wasting resources wasn't an option, and taking care of what you owned was considered a sign of wisdom. Over the years, these practices became traditions. Some are connected to mindfulness. Some are based on practicality. Others simply make life easier as people grow older. Whether you live in a large family home or a small apartment, these habits can help you reduce stress, save time, and create a cleaner living space with less effort. So let's look at the first cleaning hack. Hack 1. Clean a little before dirt has time to grow. One of the biggest differences in Japanese homes is that cleaning rarely waits until something looks dirty. Instead, many elders practice what could be called preventive cleaning. They wipe surfaces before dust becomes visible. They rinse the sink after every use. They quickly sweep crumbs instead of waiting until the floor looks messy. It sounds almost too simple, but this habit changes everything. Think about how difficult it is to scrub dried food compared to washing a plate immediately. Think about how much harder it becomes to remove thick bathroom stains after weeks of neglect. Most difficult cleaning jobs begin as tiny messes. Japanese elders understand this. Instead of spending 4 hours cleaning on Saturday, they spend 4 minutes throughout each day. The total effort is often much less. The home stays consistently clean, and cleaning never feels overwhelming. Many people fail because they think every cleaning session has to be big. Japanese wisdom teaches the opposite. Small actions performed consistently almost always beat occasional bursts of effort. Hack 2. Never leave a room empty-handed. This tiny habit prevents clutter from spreading throughout the home. Whenever Japanese elders leave a room, they quickly look around. Is there a cup that belongs in the kitchen? A book that should go back to the shelf? A towel that belongs in the bathroom? Instead of saying, "I'll get it later," they carry it with them. One item. One trip. That's all. It requires almost no extra energy because they're already walking. Yet throughout the day, dozens of misplaced items quietly return where they belong. Imagine how different your living room would look if every person removed just one unnecessary object each time they left. Clutter would rarely have the chance to accumulate. Cleaning becomes easier because fewer objects need to be moved before wiping or vacuuming. This habit isn't about perfection. It's about making every movement slightly more useful. Hack 3. Use dry cleaning before wet cleaning. Many people immediately reach for water and soap. Japanese elders often begin with dry methods first. They dust before wiping. They sweep before mopping. They remove loose dirt before introducing moisture. Why? Because mixing dust with water often creates muddy streaks that are even harder to clean. A dry microfiber cloth, a soft brush, a feather duster, or even folded newspaper for windows. These simple tools remove much of the dirt before any cleaning solution is needed. This saves time, uses less water, requires fewer chemicals, and usually produces better results. Cleaning smarter often matters more than cleaning harder. Hack 4. Respect the entrance. In Japan, the entrance isn't just another part of the house. It's considered the transition between the outside world and the peaceful space inside. That's why shoes are removed before entering. But many elders go even further. They regularly sweep the entrance, shake outdoor mats, wipe the shoe area, remove leaves and dust before they spread deeper into the home. Most dirt enters through the front door. If you stop it there, every other room stays cleaner for longer. Even if your culture doesn't normally remove shoes indoors, keeping the entrance clean dramatically reduces how much dirt travels throughout the house. A cleaner entrance often means a cleaner home. Hack 5. Clean while you cook. Cooking creates opportunities for cleaning. Japanese elders rarely wait until after the meal to begin. While water boils, they rinse utensils. While vegetables simmer, they wipe the countertop. After using a knife, they wash it immediately if they no longer need it. By the time dinner is ready, much of the cleaning has already been completed. The kitchen feels manageable instead of chaotic. This habit also prevents food from drying onto cookware. Fresh spills are always easier to remove. Rather than seeing cleaning and cooking as separate tasks, they blend them together naturally. The result is less stress after every meal. Hack 6. Keep cleaning tools within easy reach. One reason people ignore small messes is because cleaning supplies are inconvenient. The cloth is upstairs. The spray bottle is hidden in a cupboard. The broom is stored outside. Japanese elders reduce these barriers. A cloth stays near the kitchen. Another stays in the bathroom. A handheld brush sits close to the entrance. Everything needed for quick cleaning is already nearby. When cleaning takes only 30 seconds to begin, people are much more likely to do it immediately. Convenience shapes habits more than motivation. Hack 7. Open the windows every day. Fresh air is one of the oldest cleaning tools. Many Japanese elders open windows each morning, even during cooler seasons when possible. This simple routine helps reduce stale odors. It allows moisture to escape. Fresh air also helps discourage mold, especially in humid environments. Rooms feel brighter. Air circulates. The home feels refreshed without using artificial fragrances. Even 5 or 10 minutes of ventilation can make a noticeable difference. Cleanliness isn't only about what we see. It's also about what we breathe. Hack 8. Fold cleaning cloths with purpose. This may sound surprisingly specific, but many Japanese elders fold cloths into neat squares before cleaning. Why? Because each fold creates multiple clean surfaces. Instead of using one dirty side repeatedly, they simply unfold or rotate the cloth. A single cloth suddenly provides many fresh wiping surfaces. Less spreading of dirt. More efficient cleaning. Less water needed. It's a small technique that professional cleaners around the world also use today. Sometimes the simplest improvements come from changing how we use familiar tools. Hack 9. Avoid owning more than you can easily care for. Cleaning becomes harder when every surface is crowded. Japanese elders often keep only what they regularly use or truly value. Fewer ornaments. Fewer unnecessary decorations. Fewer forgotten items collecting dust. This doesn't mean living in an empty house. It means making sure every possession earns its place. Less clutter means less dusting, less organizing, less frustration. The cleanest homes aren't always cleaned the most. Sometimes they simply contain less that needs cleaning. Hack 10. Treat cleaning as gratitude. One beautiful idea found throughout Japanese culture is caring for possessions with appreciation. Instead of seeing chores as annoying obligations, cleaning becomes a way of respecting the home that protects you. The table serves your meals. The floor supports every step. Your favorite chair gives you rest. Taking care of these things becomes an act of gratitude. This simple shift in mindset changes everything. Cleaning feels less like punishment, more like appreciation. People naturally take better care of what they value. Hack 11. Use old towels before buying new cleaning supplies. Japanese elders are masters at reducing waste. Old bath towels become floor cloths. Worn cotton shirts become dusting rags. Small fabric scraps become polishing cloths. Instead of throwing useful materials away, they give them a second life. Not only does this save money, but cotton fabrics often clean surprisingly well. Sometimes the best cleaning tool is already sitting in your linen cupboard. Hack 12. Create a daily 5-minute reset. Many Japanese households finish the day with a quick reset. Nothing complicated. Just 5 minutes. Return items to their places. Wipe the kitchen. Fold blankets. Clear the dining table. Straighten cushions. Tomorrow begins in a tidy environment instead of yesterday's mess. Morning feels calmer. The house welcomes you instead of overwhelming you. 5 focused minutes every evening can prevent hours of work later. Hack 13. Pay attention to hidden moisture. Japanese elders know that moisture often causes bigger problems than visible dirt. They dry bathroom floors. Leave washing machine doors slightly open after use. Air out damp towels. Wipe around sinks. Preventing excess moisture helps reduce mold, unpleasant smells, and damage to surfaces. Often the cleanest homes aren't simply the ones with less dirt. They're the ones where moisture is carefully managed. Hack 14. Clean with quiet, intentional movements. Cleaning doesn't need to feel rushed. Many Japanese elders move slowly, but consistently. Each action has purpose. They focus on one task instead of jumping between several unfinished jobs. This mindful approach often leads to better results. They notice forgotten corners. They avoid missing spots. Cleaning becomes calming instead of stressful. Sometimes slowing down actually helps you finish sooner because fewer mistakes need correcting. Hack 15. Leave every room slightly better than you found it. Perhaps this is the most powerful lesson of all. Every time you enter a room, improve something before you leave. Straighten one cushion. Fold one blanket. Wipe one surface. Pick up one piece of rubbish. Return one object. That's it. Tiny improvements repeated dozens of times every week create extraordinary results over months and years. Wise Japanese elders rarely depend on motivation. They depend on habits. And habits quietly shape the homes they live in. These 15 cleaning hacks may seem surprisingly ordinary. There are no expensive machines, no miracle cleaning sprays, no complicated systems. Just simple habits practiced consistently over many years. That's what makes them so powerful. A peaceful home is rarely created in one afternoon. It's created through thousands of small actions that slowly become part of everyday life. The beauty of Japanese cleaning wisdom isn't perfection. It's sustainability. It's creating routines that are gentle enough to continue for decades. So don't feel pressured to adopt all 15 habits tomorrow. Choose just one. Practice it for a week. Then add another. Little by little, you'll probably notice that cleaning takes less time. Your home feels calmer, and maintaining it becomes much easier. Because in the end, the cleanest homes aren't always cleaned the hardest. They're cared for the most consistently. If you enjoyed these timeless Japanese cleaning hacks, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical wisdom inspired by Japanese living, simplicity, and everyday habits. Tell us in the comments which of these 15 hacks surprised you the most, and share one cleaning habit that has made a difference in your own home. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.